Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. So today I'm going to review Brandify. So what is Brandify is, let me explain. Basically Brandify is a website that are selling Shopify website. I mean pre-built Shopify website, or you can create an exciting one that you want if you want. Okay, so basically what they are promoting is they are promoting, like, actually if you pay $17, they're gonna give you a Shopify store that is ready to make sales and ready to generate revenue for you, and they are saying that actually this is completely ready for launch, right? So but they're not going to help you with making ads and other things. They're just gonna deliver the store and you have to do the rest of the things. And they're saying one more thing is, actually if you don't make any sales within 2 or 3 months, they're gonna give you $17 back. So that's how actually they're doing the marketing. So in this video I'm going to show you actually how they're delivering the store, as I'm gonna order a store from them, and I'm gonna show you actually what exactly they are gonna deliver. I think this is gonna be fun, right? So if I bring you to my screen, I think it will be better to show you easily actually what they are gonna show us, right? So let's jump into the screen. So basically if I show you, as you can see, actually I have ordered in a store from there, just to show you so that how thing works there. So as you can see, this is the confirmation of the order. And if I show you my Facebook, as you can see, Brandify doing lots of marketing, like stop buying thousands of courses, stop buying coaching program, and lots of things. So they're gonna demotivate you to do these kinds of things, as they're gonna do everything for you and you can really make money, and the store is really ready to make sales. So that's what actually they're saying. So let me show you the store actually they're delivering. Okay, as you saw that actually I have ordered a store. So if I come here, basically this is the dashboard of their store. So if I go to the product, first thing first, you'll be frustrated, like actually the product they're importing for you are zero in a stock. So if you get an order, actually you'll not be able to fulfill the order, as the product is not in a stock, right? Also, if I want to show you a product, as you can see, this is the product page, very horrible, right? Just picture and picture, picture and picture, picture and picture. And where a customer really comes here, they are not gonna see any descriptions and how it's gonna help and how it's gonna add benefits to their lives or their kids lives, right? So there is nothing about it. And the product page is also horrible, very bad design, as you can see. So if I want to show you the store, basically online store, if you have a click here, so you'll be able to see the store. Basically they have customized the store with very basic thing. As you can see, the content is not so engaging as well. If you see the footer, you'll be able to see the horrible footer as well and lots of things, right? The store looks very basic, and the main, as you can see, welcome to our store, right? So it could be something engaging, it could be something call to action, right? So this is the store actually they are delivering. They are just duplicating other store. They have some dummy, they have some radius store, and they are just duplicating for you. And they are saying like that actually if you don't make any money within next 2 to 3 months, they're gonna give you back, right? Give you $70 back. So basically how do they gonna do this, right? So let me explain. I think if you are if you want to keep this store, one more thing before explaining that, if I go to their apps, what I've been trying to say, they are using AutoDS. This is a paid app. If you want to use this app for free, they have a free plan, but if you want to run your store, you really need to pay for it, right? So this is gonna takes you some extra dollar as well, and you have to extend your Shopify trial, right? So basically who is a serious businessman, he's gonna extend his trial, and he's going to do some marketing as well, because no one gonna pay for the free trial if he is not serious about the business, right? So that means if someone serious about the business for the next 3 months, he will obviously make some money with it, and he will not keep this store, right? He will customize this store with his own way, because the store is not really ready to make sales, though they're saying that actually it's really ready to make sales. But when a customer will come to this website, trust me, they are never gonna engage. As you can see, the product page, the title as well, very horrible title as I open a product here. As you can see, this is the things they have done for you, right? So and this is the title, very engaging title. I mean, so that's how actually they are gonna help. So don't invest in wrong way. If you really want to start your business seriously, then really go for some coaching stuff, like you can follow YouTube's, or if you have someone, you can learn from them as well. So that's what actually I will suggest. So this is the overall thing. As you saw that actually I have tried to show you how things works in Brandify, and basically I could do more research on the store, but trust me, this is a very basic store, and I'm not really interested to review all the store, as this is something frustrating for the new business owner actually who are trying to run their business on online. I mean, like platform like Shopify, another platform, right? So if you really want to do the business, my suggestion is for you is to learn the business. Of course, invest your time in learning, and if you feel like you need a coaching program, of course invest on it. Don't trust them 100%. I mean, trust yourself and trust your mind, so you can really get the way easy. So that's what actually I tried to explain. Maybe I could explain much better. I don't know actually how was it. So that, but I just tried to explain the thing within a few minutes. So that's all about Brandify. I think you're not gonna invest on it. Thank you very much.